Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, hope you are good and safe at your homes. Welcome to this online computer class. I am here today to teach you in this online class today's topic, keyboard. From page number 21 of book. In today's lesson, we will discuss about the keyboard in detail. So let's start our today's lesson. Keyboard. A keyboard is an input device. It is an important part of the computer. We use keyboard to enter the data into the computer. It is used to type text. There are many small buttons on the keyboard known as keys. A keyboard has different types of keys, such as alphabet keys, number keys, function keys, special keys, arrow keys, and special character keys. First of all, we are going to discuss about the alphabet keys of the keyboard. Alphabet keys. The keys that have the letters from A to Z on them are called the alphabet keys. We use these keys to type words. As there are 26 alphabets in English, so there are 26 alphabet keys in the keyboard. The alphabet keys are used to write letters or paragraphs in the computer. Now we are going to discuss about the number keys of the keyboard. Number keys. The number keys are also called numeric keys. There are total 10 numeric keys from 0 to 9. There are a total of 2 sets of numeric keys on the keyboard? All the number keys have special characters or symbols printed on them. Now we are going to discuss about function keys of the keyboard. Function keys. The keys marked with F1 to F12 are called the function keys. These keys are used to perform some special functions. The function keys are used to perform special tasks. There are a total of 12 function keys on the keyboard, from F1 to F12. Hope you understand today's lesson. Now let's move on to today's homework. Here are some questions for you students, and you have to write the answers to these questions in your notebooks. And the question number 1 is define keyboard. Question number 2, define alphabet keys. Question number 3, define number keys. Question number 4, define function keys. And you have read the answers to these questions in today's lecture. Thank you.